Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to host a website for free. In our previous video, we were able to create a game using AI. So AI can help you build your website, and here we created a Tetris game which you can play. So the file is what you can see there. Play the Tetris game. Yes. So this game was built with HTML, CSS, and JS, and you can see it locally on the system. You can play it via your browser, and then yes, so this is the game. So in order to host it, we have to rename the root file index, and this is because we built this as a single page website with HTML, CSS, and JS. If the website has multiple pages, the landing page is named index, which will help the hosting platform know where to start showing the website from, basically in simple English. So yeah, that is why we had to rename it here. And renaming it does not change the content of the file. You can see we opened it again and we can still find the same game there, and then everything is still the same. In order to host this website, we need a free hosting platform. So the one I'm going to be using here is called Netlify. You can see here I've already hosted some websites. Some of the people I've worked for before on this place. You can see their websites there. Different businesses that I've built their website for. So one of the things you need to do is to actually go to you'll go to the button at the top that says add a new project. You can see the blue button, after which it takes you to this page where it tells you different way you can create a new project. We are going to be focused on one of the simplest way. It shows you can use a GitLab, GitRepo. We are not going to dwell on those ones. The way we are going to do it is by uploading a file. So you can upload a file through two ways. You can either select that file and then upload it to the hosting platform, which I was trying to do here. Or you go and look for the folder where that file, so you put the file in a single folder and you drag it to your browser and you place it here. So I did it multiple times so you can see it. So the file was inside a folder on my desktop, a single folder, so it was the only file there. After renaming it, I went left clicked down and I dragged it to the space where it says I should drop it. You see, I dragged it here, and immediately I dragged it, you will see a URL is created. I did it 3 times, and you can use two techniques: is that you do that, or do it through this one where you select a file. So I just try to repeat that process again so you can see it clearly. So at the top center corner, you will see a link in color green. If you click that link, you will see that our website has actually been deployed online. That means it has been hosted, and you can see the game we were locally playing offline rather. You can see the game showing here online through the link we just clicked on. You can see the game here. You can start it the way you started it, and you can see the same content. I repeated the process again. So yeah, so you will see that the name that was the link was named was quite long, and you might want to shorten it to a shorter name. It might not be a dedicated name like a .com something something, but you can make it shorter. So what I did was to make the link shorter. I removed the default name that was created, and I named it the name that I want to name it. So it will still carry netlify.app, but it will be shorter, or you can name it whatever name you want. And through that new link, you can go back to your previous page just like this, click on it, and you'll be able to see the same website but now with a shorter link. And now this is how to host your website for free. So it is not carrying a dedicated domain. Yes, you might not see something like .com. Yes, in a different lesson I'll be sharing that. Thank you for your time.